Today, we will be discussing how to replace the cable in a Series G bonding reel. When you notice that your cable is damaged, you'll want to replace it. For safety precautions, please reference the sticker on the reel and the service manual on our website before making any adjustments. Begin by removing the tension. To do this, remove the screws and turn the wrench counterclockwise, one rotation at a time, until all the spring tension is removed. Next, using a Phillips screwdriver and a 7mm socket, remove the screws along the perimeter of the reel holding it together. Then lay the reel down and remove the D-clip with a flathead screwdriver. Then remove the tensioner plate. Take the reel apart by lifting the cover off, then remove the housing spacer and set them aside. Remove the guide arm, then remove the second D-clip on the back of the reel. Next, take out the spring canister. Now you can remove the damaged cable from the spring canister by unwinding it, then removing the nut using an 8mm socket. To replace the cable, we'll reverse the steps. Feed the new cable through the guide arm, then route it through the hole in the spring canister. Fasten it with the nut using your 8mm socket. Place the spool back onto the reel and reinstall the D-clip. Then reinstall the guide arm with the slots on the reel. Next, manually wind the cable back onto the spool. Once the cable is completely back on the spool, reinstall the housing spacer on the canister. Then place the cover back on. Add the tensioner plate to the reel and loosely place the screws in the designated holes on the plate. Next, reinstall the D-clip. Secure the reel together by adding the screws and nuts back onto the perimeter of it. Once the reel is put together, you'll want to add the tension back. To do this, turn the wrench clockwise 3 turns, turning it 1 full rotation at a time. Now you can tighten the 2 screws to secure the tension plate to the reel. Make sure you test for continuity before using your reel to ensure proper reinstallation. Refer to your service manual for the correct cable replacement based on your model number. Now you can use your Series G bonding reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.